Hello and welcome to our video on the health benefits of dates. In this video, we will be discussing the numerous health benefits that dates can offer. Dates are sweet and nutritious fruits that have been consumed for thousands of years. They have played an essential role in the diet of many cultures, including the Middle East, North Africa, and the Mediterranean. In this video, we will discuss the nutritional content of dates, the health benefits they offer, and how you can incorporate them into your diet. Whether you're looking for an energy boost, better digestion, or a natural way to lower your blood pressure, dates may be just what you need. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of dates and their health benefits. Let's begin with the nutritional content of dates. Before we dive into the health benefits of dates, it's essential to understand their nutritional content. Dates are an excellent source of essential nutrients and provide a range of health-promoting compounds. Firstly, dates are rich in carbohydrates, which make up about 80% of their weight. This makes dates a great source of energy for your body. Dates are also low in fat, with only 0.2 grams of fat per 100 grams of fruit. Secondly, dates are packed with fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining healthy digestion and preventing constipation. Just a 100-gram serving of dates provides about 7 grams of fiber, which is about 28% of the recommended daily intake. Thirdly, dates contain a range of essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Potassium is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function, while magnesium is essential for strong bones and muscle function. Vitamin B6 plays a role in brain function and helps your body produce neurotransmitters that regulate your mood and sleep. Lastly, dates are also rich in antioxidants, which protect your body from harmful free radicals that can cause cellular damage. These antioxidants include flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. Now that we know the nutritional content and health benefits of dates, you may be wondering how to incorporate them into your diet. Here are a few simple ways to enjoy the sweetness and health benefits of dates. Snack on dates. One of the easiest ways to enjoy dates is to eat them as a snack. Simply grab a few and eat them on their own or pair them with a handful of nuts for a satisfying and healthy snack. Use dates as a sweetener. Dates can be a great alternative to sugar in recipes. Simply soak dates in warm water until they soften and then blend them into a paste. Use this paste as a sweetener in your baking recipes, smoothies, or oatmeal. Add dates to recipes. Dates can be a delicious addition to many recipes. They pair well with savory flavors in dishes like Moroccan tagines or can add a sweet note to desserts like energy balls or granola bars. Make date syrup. Another great way to use dates as a sweetener is to make a date syrup. Simply blend dates with water and then heat the mixture on the stove until it thickens into a syrup-like consistency. Use this syrup in your tea, coffee, or as a topping for pancakes or waffles. There are many creative ways to incorporate dates into your diet. Whether you snack on them, use them as a sweetener, or add them to recipes, dates are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal plan. In conclusion, dates are a sweet and nutritious fruit that offers numerous health benefits. They are rich in carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a nutrient-dense addition to any diet. Eating dates can help improve digestion, boost energy, lower blood pressure, enhance brain function, support healthy pregnancy, improve bone health, and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Incorporating dates into your diet is easy and versatile. You can snack on them, use them as a natural sweetener, add them to recipes, or even make date syrup. Overall, including dates in your diet can be a simple and effective way to boost your health and wellness. So, don't hesitate to add this delicious fruit to your shopping list and enjoy all the health benefits that dates have to offer. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and wellness content. Your support helps us to create more videos like this and share valuable information with others. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more knowledge with you in the future.